This fried rice has all the good things: spicy, ruby red, Korean style sauce, beefy beef, egg, vegetables. It's got it all, my friends. This is my Korean style beef fried rice. Growing up with a Thai mom pretty much means that fried rice is like literally in my blood. I mean, I've been eating it every week for like as long as I can remember. But I'm always looking for new ways with fried rice, and this one is my Korean style spicy beef version, which I just love because it's got loads of veggies, so it makes for a really good weeknight dinner as well. So let's get started on the sauce first of all, and I'm going to use this as a marinade and as our stir fry sauce. Two things, how does it go? Two birds, one stone. All right, so I'm gonna start with some Korean gochujang chili paste first of all. And I literally go through tubs of this stuff at home. It adds such a beautiful, almost like a smoky chili flavor, some umami and savoriness. Just adds some good stuff. And some soy sauce as well, some sesame oil, good couple of pinches of sesame seeds, and then just give that a mix. Now I've got some beef mince here, and I love using mince during the week because it means that I'm not slicing up meat, which means everything happens a lot quicker. So I am going to take the time to give this a bit of a marinade though. So that goes in, and a few good spoonfuls of that nice spicy red sauce, and then just give that a mix. And this just makes sure, you know, that we're really getting a lot of flavor into our beef. Even though we're doing things quickly during the week doesn't mean we can't do them nice. Make it nice, everyone. And I'm gonna make an omelet for our fried rice as well. So I just want some eggs. And I just need some oil in my wok here. I really want to spread that oil out, make sure we've got a good base before we get our egg in there. And now I like to just kind of swirl the wok around, try and get a nice even thickness for my omelette. Now just flip that over. Love that sunshine yellow egg color. Always makes me happy. All right, now I just want like a rough chop on this egg. When I was little and my mom would make the egg for our Thai fried rice, I would always come and steal the egg omelette part. It's my favorite bit. So good. And now we're ready for the main event, our fried rice. Just want a little bit of oil in here. Same wok that I've done the omelette in, and some garlic, some onion. And now, as usual, when I'm adding in my protein, I just like to push everything aside and then get that beef into the middle there. You're always aiming to get your meat in contact with the hot pan as quickly as possible in the wok because you really want things to sear rather than stew. So when the beef is almost cooked, let's go in with our vegetables. And you could choose your own adventure here. I'm going with some cabbage first up. Some Chinese cabbage or Napa cabbage. I just want to stir fry that until the cabbage is just wilted. Whenever you've got quite a large amount that you're stir frying in your wok, try to add the ingredients and then give them some time to stir fry and heat through. And that way we're avoiding that stewing issue again. Trying to keep things as dry as possible when you're stir frying. Okay, so now in with my shredded carrot, and I often use shredded carrot in my weeknight dishes because you can buy it already shredded, so that just saves a little bit of time. No need to be a hero during the week. And some beetroots as well. Okay, so now I'm going to add my rice, and just like any good Asian child, I always have rice in my fridge. Rice made the day before is really good for fried rice. If you want to check out my video though on how to make rice, especially for fried rice, find that on my YouTube channel. Okay, so rice goes in, and our red sauce. Look at that color. Now in with our egg and some spring onion. And that is it, my friends. Oh, look at that color. Now a little bit of special here at the end, some spring onion and some sesame seeds. And that is one very good looking fried rice. Let's see how we've gone here. You know, I always find any kind of fried rice so comforting. Just a really beautiful base of flavors there. That spicy gochujang flavor, the sesame, the eggy egg, the beefy beef. This, the couch, me sitting on the couch, eating a massive bowl full of this. That's what I need right now. So good.
If you've got any comments or questions, pop them below. And if you enjoyed the video, why not hit that subscribe button plus the little bell one, and that way you'll get notified every time I release a new video. Thanks guys.